Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 2, and I believe this is chapter, let me go, 30. Yes, 30 vectors. Okay, so this question is not too difficult. We are given that OA is this, and OB is this, and OC is this. Okay, so we have OA and OB, they are base vector, you can say, and OC is expressed in terms of A and B. Okay, show that B lies on the line AC. Okay, so first, okay, I'm doing part A. So first I will try to find this vector AC. Okay. So AC is of course OC minus OA. Okay, I think we have done this thing before, so you know this thing. OC is given as 24B minus 3A and minus OA, which is 5A. So this can be simplified as minus 8A and plus 24B. Okay. Now, what about uh, we have found AB. Let's find AB now. So we found AC. Now I want to find AB. Okay. So AB is of course OB minus OA. Now OB is 15B minus OA is 5A, right? Okay, now what's happening here is these are the 3 points, maybe A, C, sorry, A and C and B, right? So AC is a straight line like this, and B lies on this straight line, right? If it is true, then what happens that AC vector and AB vector, they have the same direction, just the magnitudes are different. Okay, so this is what I want to say, that AB should be equal to some constant m times AC. Okay, so let's see if we can do this thing. Okay, so AB is minus 5A and plus 15B, and it should be equal to some constant times AC, where AC is minus 8A and plus 24B. Okay, so if this is true, then A, the coefficient of A minus 5, it should be equal to minus 8M. So it means M should be equal to 5 by 8, right? Let's see if I have the same ratio in the second case. So if I have 15 is the coefficient of B, equals coefficient of B is 24M. Again, M is equal to 15 over 24. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So we get the same ratio again, 5 by 8. So it is true that for 5/8 of AC is equal to AB. It means this point B lies on the line AC. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope you understand the logic behind it. Okay, now let's do question B, part B of it now. Okay, relative to an origin O, the position vector for point P is I minus J. Okay, so OP is given as I minus 4J. I minus 4J. Okay, and the position vector for the point Q. So OQ is equal to 3I and plus 7J. Okay, so now first question is that we need to find the vector PQ. Okay, so this vector PQ is OQ minus OP. So OQ is 3I plus 7J and minus OP is I minus 4J. So if I do simplifications, 3I minus I is 2I and 7J plus 4. This is plus 11J. Okay, this is the vector PQ, but we need to find the magnitude of it, right? So what is the magnitude of PQ vector? That is going to be under the root 2 square plus 11 square. Okay, and if we simplify this, 2 square plus 11 square, we get 5 under root 5. Okay, I use calculator to evaluate this thing. Okay, so this is part 1. Now part 2 says the unit vector in the direction of this one. Okay, you remember a unit vector in the direction of PQ vector. This is just my notation, I don't know how to the right, but okay, so a unit vector in the direction of this is the vector PQ divided by the magnitude of PQ. Okay, so vector PQ was 2I plus 11J divided by 5 under 5. So this is a unit vector in this direction. Okay, now the third part, it says the position vector of M, the midpoint of PQ. Okay, so this OM is basically OP plus OQ, OQ, and divided by 2 is the midpoint. Okay, so what is OP? We know OP is I minus 4J and plus OQ. So this is 3I plus 7J divided by 2. So if we simplify this, 3I plus I, 4I, and minus 4J and plus 7J. So it is 3J plus 3J. Okay, divided by 2. So it will be 4 divided by 2 is 2I and 3 by 2 is 1.5J. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand everything. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.